Hey, money movers! Are credit card balances piling up? Feeling trapped by high interest rates? Take a deep breath. You're not alone, and there's a way out. Credit card debt can feel overwhelming, but the good news is that with the right strategies, you can pay it off faster than you think. Today, I'm breaking down 5 proven methods to help you eliminate debt quickly, save money on interest, and regain financial freedom. No confusing jargon, no unrealistic advice, just simple, effective steps that work. Whether you're dealing with a few $1,000s or a mountain of debt, there's a strategy that can work for you. The key is to take action, stay consistent, and use smart tactics to get ahead. Sound good? Then stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to crush your credit card debt. Let's get started. First, let's get real. Credit card debt is a trap. And if you're not careful, it can keep you stuck for years. Here's why. Most credit cards come with sky-high interest rates, often 20% or more. That means even a small balance can quickly snowball into a massive debt. Then there are minimum payments. They might seem manageable, but they're designed to keep you paying for decades while barely touching the principal. You could end up paying double or even triple the original amount. And let's not forget the extra charges. Late fees, over-limit fees, penalty interest rates. It's a vicious cycle that keeps you in debt longer than necessary. But here's the good news. You don't have to stay trapped. With the right strategy, you can break free faster than you think. Stick with me and I'll show you how to take control of your finances and escape the debt cycle for good. Strategy number 1. The Debt Snowball Method. Meet the Debt Snowball Method, your secret weapon for crushing debt fast. If you love quick wins and staying motivated, this strategy is for you. Here's how it works. Step 1. List all your debts from smallest to largest. Ignore interest rates for now. Step 2. Pay the minimum on all debts except the smallest one. Step 3. Throw every extra dollar at that smallest debt until it's gone. Step 4. Once it's paid off, roll that old payment into the next smallest debt. Keep repeating this cycle until you're debt-free. Why does this work? Because it's all about momentum. When you see a debt disappear, you feel accomplished and motivated to tackle the next one. It's psychology over math, but it works. Many people give up on debt payoff because it feels overwhelming. The Debt Snowball Method helps you stay focused by giving you quick wins to build confidence. Pro tip: celebrate every victory. Even a small treat, like a coffee or a movie night, can keep you motivated. Just make sure to budget for it. Stick with this plan, and before you know it, you'll be knocking out debt one by one and gaining financial freedom. Strategy number 2. The Debt Avalanche Method. Want to save the most money while paying off debt? Then the Debt Avalanche Method is for you. This strategy focuses on eliminating high-interest debt first, so you pay less over time. Here's how it works. Step 1. List all your debts from highest to lowest interest rate. Ignore balances for now. Interest is the enemy. Step 2. Pay the minimum on all debts except the one with the highest interest. Step 3. Attack that high-interest monster with every extra dollar until it's gone. Step 4. Once paid off, roll that payment into the next highest interest debt. Keep going until you're debt-free. Why does this work? It saves you the most money in interest over time. For example, if you have a $5,000 debt at 24% interest, you could be paying over $100 a month just in interest. By tackling high-interest debts first, you break free faster and keep more money in your pocket. The catch? It takes patience. Since larger debts with high interest take longer to pay off, you might not see quick wins right away. But stick with it. Your future self and your wallet will thank you. Strategy number 3, balance transfer hack. Want to outsmart credit card interest? Try the balance transfer hack. This strategy can give you 12 to 18 months of breathing room with 0% intro APR, meaning your payments go straight to the principal. Here's how it works. Step 1. Apply for a credit card that offers a 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 12 to 18 months. Step 2. Transfer your high-interest debt to this new card. Step 3. Take full advantage of the interest-free period by paying off as much as possible. But beware, most cards charge a 3 to 5% transfer fee, so do the math to ensure it's worth it. Do not use this card for new purchases. Most issuers charge interest on new transactions right away. Pay off the full balance before the promo period ends. Otherwise, you could get hit with sky-high interest rates. Why does this work? With 0% interest, every dollar goes toward your debt instead of feeding the bank's profits. If you use this method wisely, you can pay off debt faster and save hundreds or even thousands in interest. Smart strategy, right? Just be disciplined and you'll come out ahead. Strategy number 4. Negotiate lower rates. Did you know you can negotiate your credit card interest rate? Most people don't realize this, but a simple phone call could save you hundreds, even thousands over time. Here's how to do it. Call your credit card issuer and say, "Hi, I've been a loyal customer, but my interest rate is making it hard to pay down my balance. Can you lower my rate or offer a hardship plan?" Pro tips for success. Be polite but firm. Customer service reps are more likely to help if you stay calm and professional. Mention competitors' rates. If you've received lower rate offers from other credit cards, let them know. If they say no, call back later. A different representative may be more flexible. You can also ask for a supervisor. They often have more authority to approve rate reductions. Why does this work? Even a 5% drop in interest can save you hundreds of dollars a year. That's money that stays in your pocket instead of going to the bank. It only takes 5 minutes, so why not give it a shot? You have nothing to lose and big savings to gain. Strategy number 5. Side hustle. Time to get scrappy and supercharge your debt payoff. One of the fastest ways to crush credit card debt is to boost your income with a side hustle. Even a few extra hours a week can make a huge difference. Here are easy ways to make extra cash. Sell unused stuff. List clothes, electronics, or furniture on Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, or eBay for quick cash. Drive for Uber, deliver groceries, or do gig work. Apps like DoorDash, Instacart, or TaskRabbit let you earn on your own schedule. Turn hobbies into income. Love baking, tutoring, or graphic design. Offer your skills on Fiverr, Upwork, or locally. Rule number 1. Throw every extra dollar at your debt. Let's say you pick up a side hustle and make an extra $700 a month. In just 3 months, that's $2,100 toward crushing your balance. Remember, this is temporary pain for long-term freedom. A few months of hard work now means years of relief later. Stay focused, hustle hard, and watch your debt disappear faster than you thought possible. Boom! You now have 5 powerful strategies to crush your credit card debt and take control of your finances. The key? Take action, starting today. Pick a method that works for you, commit to it, and watch your balance shrink faster than you thought possible. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making consistent progress. Even small steps add up to big results over time. Which strategy are you trying first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your plan. Check out all the related resources and download the helpful links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more life-changing financial tips, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep moving that money.